Yes, hello. Good morning, everyone. Once again, I'm Annabelle Hipólito Midel, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Our step-by-step tutorial for today is how to send eCash to eCash. So, para maklik natin yung ating Unified Product and Services. So, dito po yung gagawin natin. eCash to eCash po. So, dahil may 12,000 na napunta sa akin, so, hindi nakuha ng isang business partner ko kung paano mag-send ng fund request. So, napunta sa account ko. So, isi-send ko siya through eCash to eCash. Then, go to ating remittance. Under remittance, meron tayong send. So, eCash to eCash. So, dealer's code ni Sir. Where is it? Okay. Hindi pa pala updated yung isa kong account. So, isa kong notebook. So, ang dami ko kasing notebook ngayon. So, dumadami na kayo. So, si Sir, ang red code niya is G1838915. So, G1838915. So, ang pera niya na napunta sa akin is 12K. Transaction password for this account is yan. So, successful na po. So, nandun na po sa kanya yung kanyang 12,000. So, sir, may utang kayo. So, once again, I'm Annabelle Hipólito Midel, proud independent distributor of Unified Product and Services. Thank you and good morning.